Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chachi, and for today's video we are going to be unboxing our premium base box. I know I'm kind of late. It's like already the 23rd of November. I have this box last week. Honestly, did receive this last week, but unfortunately on one of my upcoming video I will let you guys know what happened, why I haven't uploaded, why I haven't posted any video at all, because we were supposed to go for a surgery. If you do want to if you guys want to know what happened, why I'm having a surgery, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified all on my future upload on what surgery I'm about to have. And there you go. Stop rumbling. So this is a Boxycharm. Boxycharm, if you guys don't know, is a makeup subscription. This one is the premium box, which is $35 a month, and you do get like 6 to 7, 5, something like that. I will link it in the description down below. Full size items. So let's go ahead and get started on what we got for our November Boxycharm. So this is our theme for this month. It's Harvest. So first we got the pure 4-in-1 skin perfecting powder. Let me see, I need a scissor. Hold on. Okay, so we got our scissors. Check out this product. What is this? Oh, it has a really nice packaging. Fair Light, pure Fair Light. Oh, so this is to set, bronze, cheeks, and your highlight. Of course, your girl is gonna go in for the highlight shade again. So it looks really pigmented. Let me see. Me personally, I like a pretty good blinding highlight. But I think it's gonna be buildable, which I do really like that one. And it also has a mirror. I don't want to blind you guys. It's nice because you can just, like, you know, when you travel, you can just, you know, bring this and you have all of your face product right here. And this one retails for, where are you, $32. So this bad boy right here, our face skin perfecting powder, retails for $32. So this is from Dose of Color. This one retails for $20. It's pretty expensive for a one pan shadow. In the shade Jackpot. So it's a pretty dark, intense eyeshadow. Let's do some swatcheroo. It feels buttery. So it kind of have like that dark gold green reflect, as you can see right here. It's really nice. I can't wait to try it on. As you all know, in this channel, we're going to have an updated video regarding trying on the products that we do get from our Boxycharm. And this is my choice for this month. I was really curious about this Smashbox Photo Finish Press Setting Powder. And this one retails for $39 because this one is so cool. So it comes in this packaging, really cute. So how do you open this? So this one, it has that plastic. I can't take it off. So this one is really cool because this is like a setting powder that you twist. You twist it You twist it and you will get, you see, it comes out right there. You will get just like a freshly grind, if you must say, powder that, you know, you can just twist it on how much powder you need for that makeup session of yours. So I really like this, and I can't wait to give it a try. So that one retails for, hold on, I forgot. That one retails for $39. We're in a pretty high value right now. And also this one, I like this one. I have the moisturizer, the matte moisturizer, and I like using that one. So this one is for the nighttime. So now we have the daytime from our last month's box, and this one is for the nighttime. This is the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream, and this one retails for $125. So just with this item right here, we already paid. We already got the amount of money that we spent for our Boxycharm box. So we paid $35. This guy right here retails for $125. So this one as well is the Realher Lip Liner Duo. That one retails for $25. So let me see. Oh, there's two liners. If I can get it out. So I am confident, and be yourself, be real her. So this one is like, oh, they will look nice in this shade right here. Yeah. That one is a really like a mauve color. And this one is kind of a nude one right here. Hold on. So this one right here, the brownish one, is I Am Confident, and the red one is the Be Yourself, Be Real Her. So that is our lip liner that we got for this month, which I'm excited to try on. This one retails for $25. And this one, I like this one. I have seen a couple of Boxycharm unboxing for November, and this one intrigues me because this one, this brush right here, this one is the Cosmedix skincare brush set. This guy retails for $25. So it seems like, you know, your spatula in the kitchen. So this seems to look like this. So you use this, you scoop, so you don't, like, you know, especially when you have long nails and you try to put your mask and it's in the tub, you kind of like dig in your finger. So for this one, you kind of like dig in with this one, and you can apply your mask. I kind of lost that one. You kind of like apply your mask with this, and this one you can bop it out like any, I don't know if it's gonna pick up in my camera. It has this right here that you can just like really dig into it. It's really nice. It's stiff brush that you can put and massage your face with your skincare product. Let me see. Take cleansing to the next level with the embossed brush designed for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with the dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and gently distributes product across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, or mask with ultimate precision and no mess. So retail for $25. So here you go. I like this one, but I'm more like this one because it's our mask application. Is gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let me get a calculator so we can get a total of all of these products right here. Okay, let's go total how much retail, how much value do we have on our November Boxycharm box. So for the Alchemist, it's $125. Smashbox is $39 and $32 for our Skin Perfecting face powder, face palette. For the brushes for our skincare is $25. Dose of Color, $20. And for our lip trio, it's a $25 value. So all in all, our box for this month totals for $266. And my daughter is waiting for her phone. So here you go.
Thank you.
So for this November Boxycharm box, we do have a really high value. So because we only paid $35 and we get out to $266 total. So here you go, guys. I hope you do like my video for this month of our unboxing. Don't forget to like this video, hit that like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get notified once I do try these products on my face, including since we barely have like one eyeshadow palette right here, like a single shadow, I'm gonna use the Natasha Denona, incorporate it with this one. So, and if you are curious how I created this nice look, I like it. Will I get used to it? No, because this girl right here, it's not used with this kind of color of eyeshadow. It's kind of like bold, but for a change, I like it. So stop rumbling. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future uploads. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.